So we are gonna basically be doing tabletop, everything from serviceware to the bride and groom table, your favors, the things on the guest tables, all that kind of stuff. And we're gonna start with the serviceware. Like I said, these are just ideas to kind of bling up things that you use in a wedding or maybe even the reception. Anyway, I got this ladle. It's just a plain plastic ladle, but we are gonna bling it up with some of these beautiful appliques. I brought this in here hoping that maybe y'all could see this better, because I know when I hold it, you can't see it very well. Look how much that shimmers. It's so pretty. Now, I know they've told y'all before, it's just a adhesive on the back. It's a 3M strip that you pull off. It's very sturdy. And I'm gonna watch what I'm doing here so I get this going. It's very sticky, so I wanna make sure that I take time to get it on right. I just think this blings it up so much. Put it on the handle of that ladle. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. It's just shiny, shiny. Alrighty, here is another one. Okay, ice bucket, whatever you want to use this for, is what we're gonna be doing tonight. So let me get this on here. Y'all, it's that easy. It's that easy. You just apply it. Look at that. Look how beautiful. Here's some plain silver tongs. They're nice enough, right? But I even have a piece that fits it. Look at this beautiful piece. This fits it perfect. I'm gonna put that on there. Look how easy that is. I mean, it takes you no time. Who has time to do all that extra stuff when they're planning for a wedding, right? Y'all could do your whole thing in a few minutes. Get some girlfriends over, drink some wine. Look at that. You just bling that. Now here's another little idea. I'm not going to put it on here. I just wanted to show y'all. If you wanted to use the regular bling that we have, then I have this really pretty service set that I've had for quite a while. It's just acrylic, but it's real metal. Y'all, look how beautiful that would be to add a single piece of bling onto the handle. Isn't that pretty? So that's another idea. I just wanted to throw that in there. This is a flute that I found at Dollar Tree, and I just wanted to show y'all what it looks like. This is a piece here that I have. Let me see here. I just wanted to show y'all. For the bridal glass, for the champagne flute, how fancy is that? That took it up a whole nother notch. Like I always say this, if you're gonna have a February wedding, or you're gonna have come Christmas again, look at this. This is a piece of stemware that I have that's real glass. Look how much this changes this glass. Isn't that gorgeous? Yes. Here's a little idea. Everybody wants their votive candles out. I wanted to show y'all what this looked like. This is a beautiful piece that is perfect for this votive. You can find all these at totallydazzled.com. They're the appliques. One strip, you remove it, apply it, and you are done. Look how beautiful that is now. But if you wanted everything to kind of look like the other appliques, you can go to Dollar Tree and you can get these napkin rings. Let me show you something. Like I said, I went through and I found all these pieces to fit what I needed them to fit, and it all worked out. Here is the silver. This, y'all are gonna be blown away. I couldn't believe it. Oh my goodness, y'all. Now, let me get my, gotta get my napkin here. Look at that. Now, we're gonna move over to our candles. You know you're gonna have candles at every little wedding. So I've got this really pretty piece here. Like I said, I went through and I found all the sizes to fit what I wanted. Now in this particular size, I had already used the other two colors, so I'm just gonna be able to show you in the silver. But that's okay, it doesn't disappoint. So pretty. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Let's see if I can turn him on. These were just little candles, flameless candles that I found at Hobby Lobby. There you go. All right, say you have a reception table or whatever, and you want to put a beautiful picture. I had this pink frame is why I chose it, because I don't have another pretty one right now. But say you want to put like the engagement picture or something, or maybe of the bride and groom when you were little kids or something. I don't know. People can put any kind of pictures. But here is some pieces that I had of our regular silver bling, the Rhinestone bling. And I thought we would just glue this right there on the top. Had a little bit of glue there, as he was growing up. And so I know at weddings sometimes they'll have pictures of the bride and groom as they were kids. I think that is so cute. And then we're gonna put another one just like it at the bottom. Okay, y'all, let me see if I got that glued on well. Look how beautiful that is. Isn't that precious? So I just wanted to show y'all that. All right, so we've done the tableware. Now we're gonna move on to the party favors. Alrighty, so once again, I went to my Dollar Tree and I found these little organza bags. They have like 8 for $1.25. And then I had this black one here in my drawer, I guess from some jewelry or something. But I thought I would just show y'all what it looks like with these beautiful little pieces. How you could just bling up these bags to give away. What a special gift. Anybody would love to get this. Almost doesn't even matter what's inside the bag. Oh, look at this sweet little bag. Look at that. Y'all could put anything in that and people, oh my gosh, they would just be going crazy. Probably seen these little buckets. Dollar Tree. Okay, so the idea is you just tie this on here, or wedding favors. And once again, just put a little piece of bling on the front and it just takes it up a whole nother level. We're gonna open one and see what it does here. Because we're gonna, believe it or not, we're gonna bling it up. All right, here is another applique. Like I said, I was trying to find sizes that fit everything that we're working with here. And believe it or not, by George, they've got all this figured out at Totally Dazzled. Look at this. Oh my goodness, how precious is that box, y'all?
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and grab our free download, 50 Ways to Bling Out Your Wedding. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.